Hello and welcome to my series here. My name is Nicholas. You can call me Nick. I am the printable guy, and this video here is going to be an addition to the series that I've been working on, and that's diving into the research of cross-stitch patterns and the opportunity of creating digital products for people that are into the cross-stitch art. If you're into cross stitching, or if you're into embroidery or any of those sort of arts or crafts or whatever you would call that type of project type based, you know, design deal, I guess is what I'm saying, reach out to me. I'd love to explore this a little bit more. As I said, I've been really diving into this, and I just wanted to show and share with you a little bit of what I've been researching here on Etsy. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in cross stitch and see what happens as suggested search. And again, I'm using a plugin called Everbee. I have a paid version. You can use other types of resources. So the data that you're seeing here and I'm sharing here is being extracted from the plugin called Everbee. So anyways, cross stitch, I typed in here, you can see that cross stitch pattern is searched according to the data here, 1,221 times monthly, which is really good. Of course, cross stitch pattern PDF is being searched 1,000 times in a month. And, these are really giving us some good data points. Cross stitch, 1,707. That's really got me diving into maybe there's possibly opportunities in this, niche or category to create digital products, which is either printables or KDP books. So it'll be print on demand or anything of that sort. So let's go ahead and just check here what is available for cross-stitch pattern PDF. And as you can see, there is a lot of opportunity here. I'm just going to go ahead and sort by most recent and see what we have as opportunities. Again, this is all PDFs, cross-stitch pattern PDF. And it looks like just mild to wild, lots of opportunities. And the thing that I like most about this category niche that could create digital products for is that maybe you already have other items or products that you could translate into or transfer into this niche without really having to do a whole lot of work. And by that I mean, if maybe you have a coloring book design or coloring book pages or anything of that sort, that you could actually turn them into cross stitch patterns and sell those as PDFs. Now it may take a little bit of research, which again I'm doing that in this series on different software to use to do that, or you can just come up with a system and being able to do that in a program like Canva. Of course, it might be a little bit more difficult, but there is ways to get around and creating these type of patterns. I've even seen some that are based on just using graph paper, color pencils, and scanned in and used, as a PDF and sold. So it's just lots of opportunities here. And you can see here, this is what I really like about it, the simplicity of being able to design these types of digital products and be able to sell them to a market of buyers that are wanting them. As you can see, this here has been viewed 12 times in the last 24 hours. Let's go ahead and just check out this shop store here and see what they have. 80,699 sales. It's pretty well showing that it's not too bad. Not too bad of a of a market to get into, for sure. And as you can see, some of these designs, these PDF patterns, are very simple and easy to recreate. And like I said, maybe you already have items that are digital items that you could turn into these types of digital products. I just love this here. Got the beach, all kinds of charts, just wonderful. In fact, let's go ahead and just do a product analysis on this and see what it says. It says that there's been 8 sales in a month. This has only been listed for 8 months. So, this listing has made, $48, which is not too bad. It's been favorited 640 times. Of course, the views and the review count is quite attractive. Here's some of the keywords that they've been using: pattern, PDF, summer beach, cross stitch, all kinds of stuff there. Not bad at all. Like I said, actually it's 19 reviews. Yeah, this is a great opportunity here. I'm going to go ahead and slip over to another shop that I've been researching and kind of getting some ideas from, and that is the Stitching Housewives. And one of the things that I did is I did a filtering of the reviews, because that's really what I wanted to find, like what types of products have been reviewed a lot, because if there's a good amount of reviews, then it means that there's sales and that's a proven product. And as you can see, this shop here, the age of the shop is 40 months, which is not too bad. What's that? Just a little over 3 years, almost 4 years. So this listing here, which is, I'll go ahead and click on here in a second. It's had 687 sales, 103 reviews, and this listing is only 13 months old. There's another one here that I noticed, 10 months, 92, 22. So let's go ahead and just check out this Patriotic, what they have for their product here. Just kind of see what that looks like. Oh my goodness. As you can see, it's just a jar. It's a jar design. This is pretty popular. In fact, I think I have done this in the past and shared that this here design was a template that I created and shared it in using Canva, and it was for the niche or category people that are into junk journals. So it's the same concept. They had just actually turned this jar into a cross stitch pattern, and look at it. It's just so cool. And it's been reviewed 166 times. Some of the reviews here, absolutely the cutest pattern to stitch. Obviously this is probably geared more towards a beginner, it looks like. Somebody like me. Pretty easy, pretty nice. And if we were to go back again, let's see, go back again. Estimated monthly revenue on this, 47 sales, a monthly average, $235. Total sales, 687. So if we were to do some quick math, as we've seen that this is a $5 pattern, PDF, 600, we'll just round it out, 600 times $5. That doesn't sound too bad, does it? Definitely does not sound too bad. So yeah, 20 people have this in the cart. Get some inspiration, get some ideas here. Definitely love it. It could be used as a trade, tidbits, all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so that's one of the opportunities there. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my little favorite here for my inspiration. We can do another one. Here is one. It's only got a listing average, or not listing average, but a listing age of 3 months. This has had 1,283 sales total, which is pretty stinking cool. And actually, I could talk about this here a little bit more and what this is about here. So the amount of estimated revenue is 7,276 for 3 months. Not bad at all. We'll go ahead and click on that. And this is for a sale. which I had to actually Google what a sal is, and it is a stitch along. I think is yeah, stitch along, um, which was cool. I mean, I did not know that there was actually people that create groups where, they design this pattern and then they release different portions of the pattern to a group of people that have stitchers, and they create this little community, and it's just absolutely amazing. I will go into stitch alongs and sals as I get further into the series of cross stitching, but I've just been fascinated by it. And as we know, that anytime you create a community, you have opportunities to create income. Because you have a audience and a buyer base and all that sort of things. 310 reviews, just amazing, absolutely amazing. And let's see here. They have 13,458 sales. Yeah, definitely would check out this shop here. 20 people have this in their cart, 5 people. Like I said, lots and lots of opportunities. I love this mason jar one, ghost mason jar. Very simple, very basic designs. So we had that. And we're just going to go ahead and go to one more. Click out of this one here. And let's click out of here. Let's go ahead and check out some more ideas here. Again, I filtered this. I like this one here. 4x4 windmill quilt salt box prim. And we'll just kind of see. It has 7 people have this in their cart. It's a PDF cross stitch. Doesn't look like it has any reviews. We'll go ahead and just analyze this to see what this looks like. This has had 8 sales. The listing age is only 1 month. So it's still, trying to build up some relevancy, get some visibility. So, increase the scores. It's had 1 review, 8 sales. Not bad. $31 that is estimated that is made. And as you can see here, the sample chart, very basic, just a lot of opportunities. And this shop, as it appears, the French Giraffe has 3,921 sales total in their shop. And actually, this shop is not too far from me, Gladwin, Michigan. So, man, just some very awesome products here. You can see there's 251 items that they have in their shop. And let's go ahead and see if we can do some product analysis here. Get a good idea what type of opportunities they have. So I'm clicking on reviews, total sales. So this one here is 62 months old. I want to get to a better example here. There's 10 reviews, 85 sales. This one here is 9 months. I think, is that the one that I just had looked at? Maybe it is. Nope, it is not. So 60 favorited this. This might be a good one to start now if you're looking at doing something similar. Again, don't copy, just use this as inspiration. And it looks like, yeah, $3.85 is what their PDF download is. It fits in a 4x4 inch frame. Yeah, just there's people that, like I say, that are looking for these types of products to digitally download, and they're demanding them. I can't say that enough. I mean, it's just a great opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up now, and I'm glad that I was able to share this a little bit with you. Like I said, I will have some more videos and some more updates in my newsletter as we go through this series, looking more into the craft of cross-stitching and what type of opportunities there are for digital products. Until then, I look forward to speaking to you again very soon.